Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about small TV room design ideas. Designing a cozy TV room in a small space is essential for feeling comfortable and making the most what you have. In small homes or apartment, every inch count, so it is crucial to maximize functionality while ensuring comfort. We understand the challenges of limited space, which is why we are here to help with practical ideas that anyone can implement. Whether you are in a teeny studio apartment or a compact living room, creating a relaxing and functional TV area is achievable by focusing on smart design, solution and simple adjustment. You can transform even the smallest space into a cozy retreat for entertainment and relaxation. Join us as we explore easy to implement strategies for optimizing your small TV room for maximize comfort and functionality. Choosing furniture that serve multi-purpose is crucial for small TV room. It maximizes space and functionality, making the room more versatile. For instance, a sofa bed or a found can be a great addition because it serves as sitting during the day for watching TV or entertaining guests, and transform into a bed at night for visitor. This dual functionality saves space and ensure comfort for both achieved. Additionally, investing in a coffee table with storage compartment is a smart idea. It provides a place to keep remote control magazines or other items, helping to keep the room organized and clutter free. Overall, multifunctional furniture is a practical solution for small space, offering convenience and efficiency without composing on comfort. Mounting the TV on the wall is smart idea because it free up floor space and make the room look modern and tidy. When you hang the TV on the wall, you can use the area underneath it is clever ways. One good suggestion is to add floating shelves or cabinets. These can be placed directly beneath the TV to store things like DVDs, videos, games, consoles, or even decorative items like vases or pictures frame. These shelves are great because they serve a practical purpose while also allowing you to display things that add personality to the room. So not only are you saving space by mounting the TV on the wall, but you are also making the most of that space with stylish and useful storage solution. Proper lighting is super important for making room feel cozy and inviting. Imagine walking into a dark room is it does not feel very welcoming, right? So to make your TV room feel warm and comfy, you will want to use different types of lights. Think about having some lights on the ceiling, like a big light in the middle, and then adding smaller light like floor lamps or light on the wall. This mix of lighting create what we call layer of light, which means you have different levels of brightness in the room. And here is cool ideas. You can even install dimmer switches for your lights. That means you can make the light brighter or softer depending on what you are doing on or how you are feeling. It's like magic. Arranging furniture smartly in a small TV room is super important. It is like solving a puzzle to make the room feel bigger and easier to move around in. First off, put the TV in the middle of the room so everyone can see it comfortably. Then arranging the seats like sofa or chairs around the TV. This way everyone gets a good view and it feel cozy. Also make sure there is enough space between furniture pieces. Nobody like pumping into things. Leave some room to walk around without feeling cramped. This create a nice floor in the room and make it feel more spacious. So when you are setting up your small TV room, think about how to arrange everything to make the most of your space. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspiration ideas.